Today, I'll walk you through how to improve your automation workflows in Make so they run faster, stay easier to maintain, and cause you far fewer headaches. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. Start by logging into Make and opening the scenario you want to refine. Examine each module and ask whether every step is actually earning its place. That honest audit is where good optimization begins. Before touching anything, define what the workflow is supposed to accomplish. A clear goal keeps you focused on reducing manual work and improving efficiency. Open the scenario's execution history and review both successful and failed runs. Look for recurring errors or consistent slowdowns. Those patterns point to real structural problems. With that context, pinpoint the bottlenecks, the modules that slow things down, and decide whether any can be simplified or combined into fewer steps. Once you know what's dead weight, delete the unused modules. A leaner scenario is easier to read, easier to debug, and easier to update over time. Now tidy the canvas layout. Arrange modules neatly and group related actions together. A clean visual structure pays dividends every time you return to this scenario. Rename everything clearly: your scenarios, connections, webhooks, and notes. Vague names create confusion. Clear names save time. Add filters to process only the data you actually need. Status equals approved, or email is not empty, for example. Place those filters before resource-intensive modules so Make doesn't burn operations on data that would be rejected anyway. Check your data mapping. Confirm every field is correctly matched between modules, and remove any mapped values you're no longer using. Look for duplicate processing. If the same data is being handled more than once, simplify it. When you use routers, keep the branching logic as flat as possible. Unnecessary complexity is always a liability. Configure error handling on modules where a single failure could halt the entire workflow. Then add data validation early in the chain to catch missing or invalid values before they cause failed runs. Review your webhook flows for unnecessary transformation steps, and confirm every app connection is active and authorized. Expired connections silently break workflows more often than you'd think. Where multiple modules do similar things, consolidate them. Automate anything that still requires manual steps, and add notes documenting the workflow's purpose, key filters, and any special configurations. Finally, click Run once and verify the updated workflow performs exactly as expected. You've now made your Make workflow leaner, faster, and far more maintainable. Great work. I'll see you in the next video.